So the denominators are the same. So what did you say you got, Sophia? Good, over 10. Did you have a question, Aiden?
Yeah, on the up there, wouldn't it be 1n over 2? No, 1n over 4.
Oh, thank you. That should be a 2 there. Thank you. Yeah. I was thinking the same. So, and we'd rather not write the 1n, but just n. It's not wrong, but we just would rather write it. It's not needed. So we want to be able to cancel. Right now we can't cancel. We have to factor. How do we factor the numerator in this group here? We gotta factor that numerator. 2 times what? Good. So you're factoring the 2 and then the w plus 8 over 10. And is there anything then we can cancel?
Yeah.
Yes. So this cancels to 1 and this becomes a 5. So we had to do that to be able to cancel. Unless it was multiplication, we could not cancel. So on the top, we're going to get w plus 8 over 5. Because like with this 2w and 10, we can't just cancel on the 2 and the 10 because of why? It's adding. So we have to make it multiplications like that. Okay, number 3. Let's swing them back. So before we do that, we need to subtract them. So what do we get when we subtract? Because if we were multiplying, then we would factor right away. But yeah, just v minus 3 over v squared plus 5v minus 24. And so now to see if we can factor, or excuse me, if we can cancel, we want to factor. So as you said, Carolyn, we want to do the x. What multiplies to negative 24? That adds to 5. What numbers work there? Same group. Yep. So this makes v minus 3 over what times what? I want you to tell me what the factors are. So those are the 2 numbers, but tell me what goes in here. Uh-huh. Good. Okay, so anything, is there anything that can cancel?
Yeah.
What can cancel? Yep. So what is my answer here on this? Good. This top becomes a 1. So we don't usually write 1 there every single time we're canceling, but that's always a 1. We have, because you have the v minus 3 over v minus 3, which is 1. So it's a 1 over v plus 8. Does that make sense? Okay. So now on number 4, do we have a common denominator?
No.
No. So here, what is the common denominator be? 14. So to get 14 from 7, what do we multiply this from? Yep. So we get 6x over 14 plus x over 14. And what does that add up to? 7x over 14. So somebody besides Derek in that group, how can we simplify that? It goes into both 7 and 14. Yeah, 7. 7 goes into 7 once, and it goes into 14 twice. So this is x over 2. So just remember to look and see if you can do any canceling. Go ahead and do number 5 on your own. It's going to be your you try.
Yeah. 5 minutes. So the same. Huh? I don't think that's much. No. Yeah. Plus 2 plus 6. What are these?
24.
And then that equals 2n.
Why'd you move up the way? Why'd you move?
Yeah, here. My round, sorry. Oh, I like that one. Oh, you don't like it? Oh, I like it. I don't like that one. I do. What do you like? I don't like it. Use it all.
No, when you throw it at, throw that, it's like,
Oh, I don't like black stuff. No, I really don't like black stuff. I really don't like black stuff. I like breathing. School. Like, it's still allowed to come to school or not. No, she was. No one else. The one isolated over there. Yes. Back left.
Back of the bus. I don't breathe.
I like them because
Oh my god,
skin.
I just realized what he said.
Meat, you like meat as a woman?
No, I like you because
On my table.
You know what it is.
Go on.
Yeah, the answer, by the way.
Not racist.
Let me let you know right now. The answer is going to become 2n.
Oh.
So you should have got an answer of 2n. Any questions on that before we go to number 6?
Nope.
No, I think I'm good. I got this.
Okay.
now.
So number 6, a little bit harder, not a lot harder, but a little bit harder.
36.
So I'm going to ask this table back here. What's my least common denominator on number 6?
Like 1 by 9, 1 by 3. Or 18.
18 or 18x? 18x, that's right. So our least common denominator is 18x. So what would we multiply the numerator and denominator by on this one?
3x.
3, that's right.
Wow, 3x.
Not x, because it's already x down there.
Both of them don't have X.
So we just look at what's on the bottom to determine it. So 9x times what? What do we multiply top and bottom on this one by? This one. 2. That's all right. So why did I put parentheses here? Good vocabulary, Yusuf. So we want to distribute that. So in that group there, can we get somebody else besides Yusuf to say what we get when we distribute? Good.
Wait, mine.
We're just distributing. And I'm sorry, did you say it already? Can you say it again? Yes. And then 10x plus 2 over 18x. And then when we add those together, what do we get?
We get 19x minus 4. I'm asking.
19x minus 4 over 18x. Okay, question. Can I cancel out the x's there?
No.
No, you cannot.
That's correct. I'm hearing a lot of no's. Tell me why.
Because it doesn't go to 18.
If it's going
So
to 18.
this is not multiplication here, this is subtraction here. So I cannot cancel the x's. There'd have to be multiplication in order for me to cancel that. So that's my answer. So number 7, I'm going to call on a group, this group here. What's my least common denominator on number 7?
Give me x.
13 over.
X squared, that's right. So I would multiply the top and bottom on this one by?
Itself.
No, because we don't have another side to square. So x times what gives us x squared? Times x. So we want to multiply by x on the top and the bottom. Does that make sense? Okay. So then we get 3x over x squared plus 4 over x squared. And then what does that give us, this group here?
X squared, 3x plus 4.
Over x squared. So now can we do any canceling here? No, because again, it's addition. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward for you today.
Do you mind? I said it first. So that's
Let's go like 3x plus 4 and then do that. Equal 7x.